Welcome to Naco Productions. Today we got the GoPro Hero Black. We're gonna unbox it. I bought the content creator kit because I'm a content creator. So let's unbox it. I'm so happy. This is like Christmas for me. Opening presents and shit. Let's see what comes out in the box. Okay, there you go. GoPro Hero 13. Alright. I'm carefully opening it just in case something is wrong. I can send it back and get another one. Wow, look at this. This is so cool, bro. Wow. Okay. I was gonna use my knife, but no. There's no need to. It comes with like stickers, and this is all information for the app and all that. I already have an account with a membership with. What is this? Oh wow, this is the light. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, that's the light. What is this? Oh, the battery. Oh, that's so cool. Here's the box. And I bought this one because this is a power bank. I mean, it's you can charge your GoPro here. Okay, let's see. How can I do this? You're opening it wrong, stupid. Okay, we got the charger, we got a knob, we got the microphone. Cool. We got another mount for the helmet, I think. Yep. We got the screw. All right, we got a lot of things here. I like this. It comes with a lot of stuff. Oh, the magnetic mount. That is so cool, bro. Oh, hell yeah, man. That's what's up. Anyways, okay. So, let's take out the GoPro. This is the star of the show. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, here we go. Look at that, bro. That's badass, bro. This is badass. How do you open this thing? Oh, all right. There we go. Cool. All right, so I wonder if it's on. I mean, I wonder if it's got power. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. All right, GoPro. Okay, GoPro. Let's move this out of the way. And it comes in a nice case. Look at this. Nice case and shit. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I'm no longer ghetto. Hell yeah. I got the full kit. I'm like a pro. Like a professional. Look at this, man. Look at this beauty. Isn't she so beautiful? Isn't she gonna make my content so amazing? Because I've been dealing with my phone and it's a iPhone 15 and it's all scratched up. But with this one, baby, look at that. Ooh la la. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh la la. Oh man, this is a joy. I really enjoy doing this. Look at that. I wonder if it's on. It doesn't have the battery, you stupid. Okay, this is where the microphone is, I believe. And this is the door. There we go. And then we gotta get the battery in. Cool, dude. So cool. So cool, dude. I'm gonna have to call you cool out. Okay, I gotta figure out how to put it on. Okay, you see that thing over there? That goes with that. So I guess it's gotta go like that. Yeah, with the GoPro facing this way. Is it? Or no? Or like this. No, stupid, like that. Okay. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. You're the one telling people how to do this shit. I think it goes like this. Oh, there we go. But we have to, there we go. Look at that, man. That's badass. That is badass. I'm in love with a stripper. What language do we speak? Haitian. Oh, Haitians speak English, so we're good. Agree with all that crap. Yeah, let's put the GPS on, of course, so we know where the fuck we at. Yeah, yep. That's for voice command. Yes, English, of course. Insert. Oh, I got the card. Where's the card? Where's the card? Oh, that's one thing you always want to make sure that you get a micro SD card. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna make another video once it's already, everything is already installed, and that way you guys see how that goes. Wow, you don't know how to open stuff, huh? Maybe I should have gone the other way, or maybe right here. There we go. What's the other shit for? I don't know. I never used them. Every time I buy a SD card, the other one stays there. I have never been in a kind of position where you need it. Okay. And if I am not forgetting, you're gonna put it on like this, but you gotta get the battery out. Yeah, I'm a terrible guide for this. Thank God this thing has this, so you can pull it. And then I believe it has to be facing down, I believe. Let's see. And you have to push it. But my fingers are so big and fat. There we go. See? See how easy that was? Am I doing it right? Let's see. He's gonna tell you he's got the SD card. English again. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Yes. Okay. See? SD card is saying. All right, people. Oh, wow. The battery is almost dead. Okay, I got to charge this thing. And I guess... And how do you put this on? I got to see the manual. This is weird. Well, I got to figure this out. I got to read all this crap. Yeah, because I have no idea.